Good day everyone, here we are again. In this video, we are going to discuss about a branch or a subfields of linguistics, one of which from micro and macro linguistics. We are going to discuss first the microlinguistic. Microlinguistic, I chose phonology. It is a phonological that represents the environment as process of an accent-independent lexicon for synthesis of English. A phonograph input a socket on an amplifier or receiver that accepts signals from an analogy turntable. The phono input circuit books the signal and provides the equalization that is necessary to restore the original sound. In short, the phonological is a sound system of a language. So, here are the articulatory phonology. It is an approach that provides a particular insightful account that basic units of phonological contrast are gestures, which are also an abstract characterization or of articulatory event, each with an intrinsic time or duration. So, for the phonological structures is defined in the way of articulatory based on the natural classes. Moreover, the patterns of overlapping organization can be used to specify important aspects of the phonological structures of particular languages and to count in an coherent and general way for a variety of different types of phonological variation. And here are the articulatory phonology cycle. Intended utterance to linguistic gestural model and to gestural score to task dynamic model to articulatory trajectories to articulatory synthesizer and to the output speech. So for example, in the articulatory phonology by Brownman and Goldstein 1992, lays the foundation for understanding speech and sounds errors in children diagnosed with SSDS or speech sound disorders in children, and articulatory phonology perspectives that is articularly from the specific perspectives. It largely affirms boundary between phonological process and phonetics articulation or by Schoenberg 2010. As this describes the range of children who has difficulties in producing speech sounds by McLeod and Barker 2017. So now we are going to move on from the macro linguistic. I'm going to choose sociolinguistics, which is William Labov, the father of it. A macro sociolinguistics or a macrolinguistic takes a broad view of linguistic phenomena, the study of the context in which language is usually used, and it develops over time and in among individual. Although macro-sociolinguistic examines language as a factor in demographic and social organization, especially the effects of multilingualism in a geographical area where distinct language or dialects are spoken, and related issues such as language planning. For the scopes of sociolinguistics, as sociolinguistics is a study of language and how it is affected by the social setting in which language is used. It has a broad scope in the examination of the many and diverse ways that language and society intersect. It examines the interplay of society and language. And here are the types of social linguistics.
Thank you. Enjoy and learn. God bless.